guys. I want to show you some updates on the monster truck, even though I didn't do anything to it. I haven't really used it much the last videos, and that is because I was going over the recording limit. If you didn't know, if you're verified, you can make your videos as long as you want, but I'm not. I used to have a verified account until I think it was deleted, or either I just had shitty internet, so yeah. Don't expect anything. But today, we're gonna maybe upgrade the vehicle. I'm kind of interested in what can we do to the vehicle. Don't you think? Yeah. And apparently a new update dropped, but I don't give a fuck, actually. So, but I actually don't care. Even though I think they added a new vehicle, and I love new vehicles. I might update, but unfortunately, I feel like I'm just gonna lose all my vehicles. But, well, let's go update the game. So, we gotta go to Play Store. Don't ask about the language, okay? I have Snapchat for no apparent reason. I don't know why, okay? So, what was I gonna type in? Oh, yeah. Off-road. Outlaws. So we can update. So let's get to updating. I don't think you need to wait that much. EA Sports. Super sus. Why is this recommended? This says more games to play. Why would I play Super Sus? That's just a ripoff of Among Us. Yeah, apparently I'm not allowed to update, which is weird. Maybe because I actually downloaded the game from Happy Mod and wasn't meant to do that. But, okay, it's fine. It is okay. I'm just typing something. Alright, let's go. No. Okay. So I cannot update it. If I try again, it's not gonna update. Watch. It says it's trying to update, but it's not. Unfortunately, we cannot play the new version. And I don't want to do everything again. So, yeah. Nah, fuck the update. But, sorry for saying a swear word. But what we can do is actually keep on testing the monster truck. Because, well, I haven't really tested it much last time, so yeah, let's get into it. And last time I flipped my truck. Let me in. Yeah, if it just doesn't want to load, you have to wait at the menu for a few seconds, and it'll say connected. I'm a genius, I know. Boom. Loading level editor. Joining other outlaws. I don't know what does it mean by joining other outlaws. You mean joining other off-roaders? Yeah, that's something you gotta fix, Battle Creek Games. Hyperspeed drones, no vehicle damage, nitrous, heavy cool, increased grip, and grenade launchers. Damn! Who's an elite member over here? That's my genuine question. What does it mean by hyperspeed drones? Do people have drones in this server? Because I don't think they do. I mean, what if TC... Oh my god. What if TC Gaming's is playing, but we just don't know? And look how much diesel it's spewing out. Let me go! Thank you. Let me just fix me car. There you go. Yeah. It's like oh my god, Bozo. That guy hit me. How could you? I have car. I have big car. How could you? My big car is crying right now. So, I haven't really actually tested the truck either. I want to see how it works over here. I don't believe it works the best, but let's try it at least. I think it might be a little too stiff for this. I don't know, I'm not too sure. No! My car! Please! Revive! Revive! Oh my god. It's... You know, never mind, this thing jumps! Well, that's kind of all I wanted to test. Didn't want to test it. Alright, bro. Who did that? Who in the... Treadmaster? Why did you do... If you're gonna flip my car, I'm gonna flip yours. Idiot. Fuck you, bozo. Well, I'm gonna flip your car. Get over here, you bitch. Damn, people these days be flipping others' cars. I just want to have a fun time in this game. Get out of here. Get lost, bro. People nowadays, I'm telling you. Yeah, I know it. Bro, shut it! Nah, this fool trying to run away now. Get over here. This fool just keeps on destroying my car. What's wrong with you, bro? Did he just steal my car? He's trying to so badly. I'm gonna crush your car, buddy. Yeah! Get crushed. Get crushed. Get crushed, kid. Why are you trying to bully me, huh? Push! Okay, I crushed my own car, but fuck you, bro. You retarded piece of shit. You know what? I'm gonna crush you for real this time. John Cena! Oh, trying to trick me? Trying to trick me, fool? Cena! Oh my god, my car almost flipped. Yeah! He tricked me. This fool's about to trick me again. Yeah, that guy's just toxic. I think he's just... But enough chasing around people, let's see how good this car really is. It can do that, that's for sure. But can it do this parkour thingy-majig? I hope it does, because it's a monster truck. What do you think monster trucks are for? They're for driving over stuff. That's what they're made of. Driving over stuff. Monster trucks are made out of dead bodies of other cars, if you didn't know. That's a disturbing fact, by the way. And that is actually from Cars, the Cars movie, yeah. Now you see why I didn't add a snorkel last time. Because this thing has ginormous wheels and basically never sinks. Unless you get out of the whole map. Which is ridiculous. Look! It's a Hellcat monster truck. That's sick! Wait, is that another... I thought that was another Hellcat for some reason. It's a cool-ass car. How'd you get it? Let me just swap cars. Attach the trailer because right now I don't want the car to be trailerless. Yeah, there you go. But I still want to switch cars. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna have to like. I'm gonna have to like pretend like. Okay, there. Now it looks like it's attached. I think that toxic guy left. Who knows why was he toxic? Maybe he was a troll account. Who knows? Maybe people actually have other accounts, just on different devices. Alright, let's get to real testing. Oh my god! Wait, what am I doing? Brother, what am I doing? Brother, what am I doing? What am I doing, brother? You know what the biggest regret is? When you have siblings. Now, it might seem so sweet when you have siblings. Well, believe me, those AI and fake Roblox stories make you want to have siblings. But in reality, when you actually get them, you regret it. Because, you know, I'm actually the youngest child. Fun fact. Not. But when you're the youngest child, you basically get away with anything. Well, I'm not the youngest, but I am young. I mean, the youngest out of all my siblings. My brother is like 21, 23, I'm not too sure. But I know he has a job and a girlfriend. And my sister, after like fucking, I don't know, 16 years, 1 year later, she has a boyfriend, officially. I don't know if she's actually 18. Because our birthdays are at the same month. So we celebrate our birthdays at the same time. And there's another kid that also has a birthday at the same time. So I legally have to change my birthday to 2nd June. Because, I mean, I am not in the same school with that person. So, I mean, if you're in the same school with one person, that means legally you have to share birthdays. Or either you have to change your birthday. But yeah, enough yapping. Also, this monster truck drives well, like damn. You know what? It wasn't a regret getting it. It wasn't. Next time, I'm going to show my other monster truck. But that's it for this video, so